Very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. In previous lecture, we learned who controls the internet. Who controls the internet? And so many organizations are there who controls the internet, like your Internet Society, Architecture Board, Internet Engineering Task Force, IRTF, Internet Research Task Force, Internet Corporation and assigned name and numbers, W3C. So many organizations are there. And now in this video, today we start WWW. Everyone know about the WWW, a very important term and very famous term also. WWW. WWW stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web, also known as web. Also known as web. What is the web? What is the World Wide Web? Both are the same things. It is a collection of website. It is a collection of website or a web pages. So World Wide Web is a collection of website or a web pages. What is the website and what is the web pages? So what is the difference between the website and the web pages? Websites is the collection of web pages. Website is a broader term. Website is a broader term and it is a collection of web pages. And web pages are the collection of information. A single page is your web page and combination of more than two or three or pages is your website. So more linked pages. When you combine all the linked web pages, then your website and stored on web server. Where these stored on web server and connected to local computer through the internet. And where it connected to local computer through internet. These website contain this website contain text, images, audio, video, sounds, so many things. Users can access the content of these sites from any part of the world over the internet. So the internet and World Wide Web both are the different term. These not are the same thing, but World Wide Web is the collection of website or web pages stored on a web server. User can access the content of these sites from any part of the world over the internet using their device such as computer, laptop, cell phones, etc. The WW along with the internet enables the retrieval and display of text and media to your device. So internet is a broader term and WWW is only the part of the internet. So WW is only the part of the internet and internet is your broader term. Internet is your network. Internet is your network of networks. So what is the history of World Wide Web? But a very important this paragraph for one or two marks. So underline everyone. Tim Berners-Lee, who developed, who established the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist. Tim Berners-Lee is a British computer scientist, developed the World Wide Web in 1989. When WWW was developed? In 1989. Who developed? Tim Berners-Lee. After graduating from Oxford University, he became a software engineer at CERN. What is CERN? CERN is European Council for Nuclear Research. CERN is European Council for Nuclear Research. And what is the full form of this CERN? CERN full form is Council European for la Research Nuclear. This is a French. This is a French. So CERN is the organization, European Organization for Nuclear Research. So where your WW was established? In CERN. By whom? Tim Berners-Lee. So don't be confused. Don't be confused. You see here, Tim Berners-Lee It was invented, www was invented by a British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. In 1989, but was launched at CERN. By whom? By Tim Berners-Lee. At where? At CERN. So what is the CERN? CERN is a European Council for Nuclear Research. According to Tim Berners-Lee, during those days there was different information on different computers. Hence, you had to log on to different computer to get it. At times, you had to learn a different program for each computer. Often, it was just earlier to go and ask people when they were having coffee. Tim Berners-Lee could force the problem. Billions of computers were being connected together through internet. So billions of network were being connected together through internet. In March 1989, Tim Berners-Lee laid out his vision how these computers could share information by exploiting an emerging technology called hypertext. What do you mean by the hypertext? In a document called information management, a proposal. So, what is the term here? The term is your hypertext. So, what do you mean by the hypertext? Hypertext is your highlighted text. Hypertext is your highlighted text that used to connect different pages, that used to connect toward more information, that is used to connect the sharing of informations. So no, Tim Berners-Lee laid out his vision how these computers could share information by exploiting an emerging technology called hypertext in a document called information management, a proposal. This is the name of the document, information management, a proposal. His initial proposal was not immediately accepted by October 1990, uh, not immediately accepted by October 1990. Okay. His initial proposal was not immediately accepted, but by October 1990, team and written the three fundamental technologies that remain the foundation of today's web. HTML, everyone know about the HTML now. URL, URI you can say here, or HTTP. These three are the main important technology, and who give these all technology? Tim Berners-Lee gives these all technology. HTML, hypertext markup language, that are used to create the or design the web pages, and URI, uniform resource identifier. Uniform resource identifier, a unique address. What is the URI? A unique address used to identify each resource on your web. It is commonly called URL. URL means your uniform locator, uniform resource locator. You see here in your address bar at the above C drive user, this is your URL, uniform resource locator. This is the address of your website, this is the address of your document, this is the address of your HTML file. So next is your HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol allows for retrieval of linked resources. Retrieval of linked resources uh, from across the world. So here question arises, what is the difference between this HTML and the HTTP? What is the difference between HTML and the HTTP? So HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol helps the browser, helps the browser and web server, helps the browser. Browser means your where you access the internet, like your Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, these all are your browser. So HTTP helps the browser and web server to communicate with each other. So what is the web server? Web server is the collection of data all over the clients. So HTTP help the browser and web server to communicate with each other, whereas HTML or hypertext markup language is used to create a web page only. Okay, the Tim Berners-Lee also write the first web page editor. The first web page editor, or you can say first web browser, name is World Wide Web.app. World Wide Web is a collection of web pages or a website, or www.worldwideweb.app is a first web browser, or you can say first web page editor also. And the first web server is your HTTPD. HTTPD. By the end of 1990s, the first web page was served on the open internet. Open internet means public internet. In 1991, people outside of CERN, outside of the organization, were invented to join this new web community. Before this, only CERN work on this. But after 1991, some other pupils also joined this web community for the to spread out the World Wide Web, to do the research in the World Wide Web. In 1994, Tim Berners-Lee moved from CERN to Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Massachusetts Institute of Technology to found the World Wide Web Consortium W3C. In last class we learned what do mean the W3C, and W3C is a organization who controls the internet. An internationally community dedicated to developing open web standard. He is director of W3C till date. Okay, so according to your book, beta, just go through in your book. World Wide Web, popular known as www, and you can also say www and web are both are the same thing, is one of the most used service of the internet. It is a massive source of information available in the form of billions of files stored on thousands of computers around the world, called web server. What is web server? Web server is a collection of billions of files stored on thousands of computers around the world. This information can be in form of text, graphics, video, audio, sound, program, etc. This information is accessed on the content compute, uh, uh, accessed on the client computer with the help of web browser. And what do you mean by the web browser? Web browser is an application program where you access your internet, like your Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, so Opera Mini, so many web browsers are there, which communicates to the web server. Beta, web server is very important term. We learn later. Web browser also we learn later, and we also learn so many web browsers like your Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini. We learn later. Using HTTP hypertext transfer protocol to control the flow of information. Before the introduction of World Wide Web in 1989, internet was not into the hands of common man, but was used only academic and military purpose. We already know. Uh, First, we use the internet for in universities and military purposes. It was invented by a British computer scientist, Tim Berners-Lee. So it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, but launched in 1991 at CERN. How does it work? How does your www work? So again, same thing. Www work on client server technology, and your client server technology, wherein the computer we send a request to the web document is called client, and who fulfill the request is your server. It is the web browser application at users end. It is a web browser application at the user's end. User के point of view is your web browser, which send the request to the server for a specific web page with the help of communication protocol HTTP. Now we already know what is the meaning of HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. It is a rule. Protocol means set of internet rules. Sir, hosting the requested page send the same to the client machine where it is displayed in the web browser. These pages are interconnected with each other through the hyperlink with the help of user quickly navigate from one page to another page. Now question arises here, what is the difference between the World Wide Web and the internet? Or World Wide Web and internet are the same things? No. World Wide Web and the internet both are the different things. According to some people, they use the term World Wide Web and internet interchangeably, but both these terms have significant difference. Internet is entirely different from World Wide Web. It is a worldwide network of devices like computer, laptop, tablets, etc. What is this? Internet. Internet is a worldwide network of devices, collection of networks like your computer, laptop, tablet, mobiles, connected through connected with connected through copper wire, fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, even wireless connections also, like your Wi-Fi. It comprises of smaller network comprising of LAN, MAN, WAN. It enables user to send email to other users, chatting, getting information, video conferencing. For example, when you send an email or chat with someone online, you are using the internet. On the other hand, so what is the World Wide Web? Everything is internet. So what is the World Wide Web? Why we use the World Wide Web? What is the term of World Wide Web? World Wide Web enables the exchange of information, transferring of information, interchangeable of the information, and consist of the interlinked collection of the web page or a website having URLs. URLs means your uniform resource locator, your addresses of the website like www.pathaniapublicschool.com. This is the URL of your website, school website, and linked by the hyperlinks and accessed by the web browser. So always www linked with the hyperlinks and accessed by the web browser. And what is the web browser? Web browser is application software program where internet will be accessed. So in short, what is the difference between the World Wide Web and internet? And then we learn what is the difference between the web page and the website also. So first we learn what is the difference between internet and the World Wide Web. Internet is a global, first you learned here World Wide Web and web both are the same things, but internet and the World Wide Web, or you can say internet and the web, both are the different things. So what is internet? A global system of interconnected computer, a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the TCP/IP protocol to link devices World Wide Web. Now, what is the TCP/IP? How TCP/IP work? What is the use of TCP/IP? We learn later in this chapter. And what is World Wide Web? Online content that is formatted in HTML and accessed via HTTP protocol. So internet important protocol is TCP/IP, but here your protocol is accessed with the help of HTTP protocol. Internet is a massive interconnection of computer network around the world. It is a collection of network. It is a collection of so many devices like your laptop, your computers, your mobile, so many things. And WW is a service provided by the internet. So internet is a broader term and www is only the part of the internet. In www is the service of the internet. www is a service of the internet. But when you search anything, so in every website, front of the website, you write down www. Why? Because we want to transfer or connect or sharing the information. Uses transmission control protocol, and here we use the HTTP. And billions of interconnected computers are there, and information sharing module. Yes, web is a information sharing module built on top of the internet. Built of the on top of the internet. And one more term in your there, web page and the website. Web page and the website. Web page. Now you have learned about the web page. So many things. And web page is a collection of information, and you create so many web pages like Dreamland in India and Five Stories and so many things. You have already created web pages. So single page of the website is your web page, and collection of these all the web pages is your website. So basic difference is web page is a part of the website. So website is a broader term, and your web page is your single page which comprises linked to other web pages. But website is a cluster of related web pages addressed to a typical URL. Presented by who present the web page and website? Presented by the URL, uniform resource locator, and address of the website. But web pages, multiple web pages can have the same name if they reside in different document. Multiple web pages have the same name, but every website have a unique name. Every website have a different URL. Use it is content that is used to display on a website. Your web page is a content that is to be displayed in on a website. It is placed used to display the content. Place used to display the content, but here you see it is content. It is content that is to be displayed on a website site. But website is a place used to display the content. So actually your data, your content will be stored in your web pages, and on internet you only on your website only see your data. It's in your web pages. Extension. The web page's URL has an extension, but there is no extension used in URL of a website. It have a domain name like .com, .in, .ac, these all. Address dependency. Web page address depend on website address, and website address does not reply upon web page's address. Your web page depend on the website, but website address doesn't rely upon web page address. Development period. When we are talking about the development period, requires less time to develop. Web page take less time to develop as it is a part of website. Usually take more time as compared to a web pages. So website take the more time as compared to the web pages, and web pages take the short time or less time to develop a websites. And one more term we learned here, your web browser and web server. So many times we use web browser, web server. So web browser, what is the purpose of web browser and what is the purpose of web server? First we are talking about that. Purpose. Web browser is a software. Web browser is a software. You can say web browser is a application software program. Web browser is your application software program. In ninth class we have already learned your system, two types of software are there, your application software and the system software, and web browser is your application software program which is used to browse, or you can say which is used to access and display pages available over the internet. But what is the purpose of web server? Web server is also a software which provides these documents when requested by the web browser when requested by the web browser. Process, what is the process of web browser and web server? A web browser sends request to server for web-based document and services. A web browser sends request to server for web-based document and services, but web server sees and improve those requests made by the web browser. So it complete the request of the web browsers and send the document in response. And next difference is process. Web browser sends an HTTP request and get a HTTP response. So web browser send the request, HTTP request, and get a response to whom? To the web server. And web server receive HTTP request and sends a HTTP response. So web browser only gets and send the request, and here it receives the requested and send the responses. Processing model. Web browser has no processing model, but web server follows three major processing model: process based, thread based, or hybrid. Okay. uh, Next is your data storage. Data storage. Web browser stores user data in cookies in local machine. What is cookies? We learn in your chapter number 6. Web browser store user data in a cookies in local machine. Web server provide an area to store the website. So web server provide an area. Web server give you the area where you store the information, where you store your websites. Installing web browser is installed on user's machine, but web server can be installed and where, but it need to be on a network or on local computer. Example, so many web browsers are there like your Google Chrome, and the example of your web server is Apache server. Apache server. Okay, so beta, you see, www we have already learned what is www, how does it works, and after that we learn what is the difference between www and the internet. Now we turn on our next topic, internet tech terminologies. So many terms used in internet. One is your web browser. We have already know now what is the web browser. Web browser is a client and application. Web browser is the client, and what is the meaning of client and application? Where client use the internet, where client access the internet is your web browser. So web browser is an application software program where you access your internet, which interact with the server to locate and display the web pages requested by the user. So in that way, it helps the user to navigate World Wide Web. There are many web browser available in the market today, like Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Apple Safari, or so many web browsers. Okay, now we already learned what is a web server. Now you see here, always you are the client here. Client sit here and client send the request to the web server. Send the request and receive the response from the server. So client always send the request to the server, web server, and web server send the request to the fulfill the request and send the response to the client with the help of internet. And internet is your networks. And web server is a web pages and graphics files, all graphic files, documents, all these things stored here in your web server. What is web client? We have used web client. What is web client and what is client? Web client is a term used for the client computer. Web client is the term used for client computer that sends and receives data from the web server. Web client is the term used for the client computer that sends the and receive that sends and receive data from the server. So client always send the uh, request to the web server, and web server and receive the information from the web server. It may be referred to as an application, program, or web browser. So web browser is a client based program. Web browser is a client based program. On the client side, that is responsible for communicating with the web browser. Communicating with web browser. So web browser is one of the DAS. Here question is, web browser is what? Server application, client application, web application. So here our answer is web browser is one of the client application. Web browser is one of the client application. Web browser is one example of the web client which connect the web server to retrieve the web pages. We retrieve the web pages. What is web pages? Now everyone aware about the web pages. Collection of information is your web pages. Individual web page of the document is your web pages. And here you learn more things. What is hypertext? What is hypertext? Web page is an individual document on web server which contain related information in form of text, images, video, sound, which are known as hypertext. These text, images, video, sound, animation, these all are your hypertext. These pages are created using special web languages. These web pages are created using special web language like HTML. So again here question arises, what is the difference between the HTML and the hypertext? HTML is your hypertext markup language. It is your language to design the internet or design the web pages. And hypertext is the related information, text, video, image, sound, animations, etc. Okay. Each web page has its unique address of the web server. Each web page has its unique address of the web server, but multiple web pages have the same name known as its URL. So URL, every URL have the unique address of on the web server. A web page can have links on to the other web page website applications called hyperlink. So here your question arises, what is the difference between the hypertext and the hyperlink? Hypertext and the hyperlink. A web page can have the link to other web pages, website or application, or the hyperlink, and information in form of text, images, video, sound, animation, etc. is your hypertext. By clicking hyperlink, by clicking on these link, we get connected to web page, website into the browser window. So here one question is, what is web page? Second question is, what is the difference between web page and the website? Difference. And next question is uh, hypertext and the hyperlink. What is the difference between the hypertext and the hyperlink? But you do all these questions in your fair notebook. And next is your website. Now everyone aware about the website. A website is a collection of your web pages stored in your web browser. These web pages are interlinked to one another through hyperlinks. And what is the hyperlink? Link pages are your hyperlinked where you store your web pages, where you connect your pages. The web page of a website are stored under the same domain name. What is domain name? We'll learn later. The process of storing the web page on the web server is called your hosting. Is called hosting. Your next term is home page. Your next term is home page. the first page of the website, the front page of the website, the main page of the website is your home page. The front page of the website is your home page. Every website has an index page providing link to the other pages of that website or to some other website. When a website is opened using its domain name, home page is the first page that appear in the browser window, which means the address of a website is the URL of its index or home page. So a website may or may not have the multiple pages in it. A website may or may not have the multiple pages in it, but it must have a home page in it. Home page is very important in every website. One home page is there. For example, you write down here www. Patania Public School, like you write down your school name here, Patania Public School.com. For example, you write down www, like you write down ss.co.in. So you see ss, your ss site will be opened here. So this is the home page. This is your home page, and we also see, and Ania Public School. So you see better, this is your home page. This is home page of our school website. When you click on it, you got the more information. So this is your home page. Now some terms also there. We learn in the next class what is the blog and other terms of the internet. For watching this video, thank you so much everyone. In next video we meet with the blog, what is blog and some other terminology.